Hi pin friends, we have these boxes here, Loungefly Stitch train set. Love the train sets, so have to see if I can complete the set. Let's get into it and see what I'm missing and I have to trade for. Yes, we got the caboose. Nice. Great start. Love the little flowers. Oh, and they're like raised. Super cute. Dupe. Already. Box 2. Can we have a dupe? Angel. Nice. Oh, and they'll move. Look at the wheels moving. Scrump. Super cute. Spell out. Oh, he's the villain. I don't remember his name. Y'all gonna have to help me out with that. Angel. We're gonna put our dupes up here. Nice. Don't know her name either. I just watched this too the other day, but I'm horrible at names. Let's figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna match these up like the box so I can figure out what I am missing. Okay, so all we need is Lilo, I think. We have Stitch, we have the villain, we have the lady, Angel, and Scrum. Okay. Lilo, Lilo, Lilo. Happy Pin World, Lilo. Come on, Lilo. Yeah, Lilo? We did not. Oh, okay. Well, we'll be trading for Lilo. So close. Bye, pin friends.